Whether we're hard at work or hardly working, it is important for us to stay hydrated. I personally do this with the Ultima Replenisher Electrolyte mix. It has 0 sugars, 0 carbs, and 0 calories, which all the above are very important to me. It comes 20 in a pack. Watermelon is my personal favorite, but they have many flavors you can choose from. It is non-GMO and vegan certified. If you take a look at the back, you'll see all your important electrolytes listed. And as stated before, it also states on the back that it is 0 carbs, 0 sugars, and 0 calories. It is vegan friendly, keto friendly, and it is non-GMO. In addition to being vegan and non-GMO certified, it is also gluten-free and keto friendly. There is no artificial sweeteners, and it contains plant-based colors and flavors. The packaging is basically Ziploc to keep your packets fresh. And this is what your packets look like. So I have my bottled water here. I'll open it up. You simply just tear the package open. And pour it in. When you get your water, make sure it's 16 ounces of water. I've tried less and the flavor was overwhelming. So you want to make sure you have that nice mixture, and 16 ounces as suggested is perfect. You simply shake the bottle. You can also mix this in a glass with a spoon. I've tried that too, and it's a nice mix. All you need is 1 pack a day.